Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you 3 things that I want to use it for my lunch. This is my lunch food. Here I have cooked pear. Here I have cooked groundnut, that is peanut, fresh one. Here I have cooked corn, fresh corn. So guys can see these 3 items. This is the season for it. If you go to the market by this time, you see plenty pears, plenty peanut, fresh one, that is groundnut, and you see plenty corn, fresh corn. So I bought these 3 to use it for my lunch. This is what I will eat for lunch for today. So this is cooked one, already cooked. So you see these 3 items is already cooked. This groundnut, this corn and pear. So these 3 things can go together. Can eat pear and corn, can eat pear and groundnut, can eat groundnut and corn. So anyhow you want to eat it, you can eat it. The 3 items go together. So I would like to eat pear with corn, then I'll eat it with groundnut. This is my lunch. This is my lunch that I want to eat today. So, can see the pear, the only thing you want to do if you want it to sweet than this, you can add small salt. But me, I don't want to put salt. I like it like this. So I'll bite pear, chop small, carry corn. Can see? So those 3 items, pick some groundnut. Then you eat. You bite your pear again. So those 3 items, as I say, the 3 items go together. Any one you like, you can choose for it. If you like, eat all of them together. It will fine. So the 3 items go together. So I'm eating 3 of them together. If you eat it, you enjoy it very well. So it's all of them is fresh one, no one is dry one. Groundnut is fresh, pear is fresh, corn is fresh. So all of them is fresh. So the only thing you do when you buy your pear, make sure you wash it with salt before you boil water and pour. Wash it very well with salt. Then wash your groundnut before you boil it. Because you see cook one, no, but I prefer raw one. Then come and cook it at home. You cook it, wash it very well. Then when you buy your corn, can buy cook one, can buy fresh one. But if you buy fresh one, where they never cook, when you bring it at home, wash it, remove the back, then wash it very well and put salt and boil it. So it's just a simple something. It's not a hard something that you won't able to do it. It's just a simple something. So guys can see my lunch today. So I want you guys to join me. And if you don't want to join me, go and buy your own and try it and see. You will enjoy it because it's very, very delicious and fresh. All the 3 items in there here is fresh. All of them is fresh. So I advise you to go and buy your own and do it and eat. So I have finished the pear. It's very, and this 3 item you see here is a rich, very, very rich. By the time you need the 3 together, drink water. The next thing, you relax, you go and sleep. You won't feel hungry because all those 3 items that you see, by the time you eat the 3 together, you are okay. You won't look for food again. Drink enough water and go and sleep and rest. You won't hungry. Before you hungry, you will take. So that is all for fresh corn and groundnut and pear. Please, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Share it to your loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.